This is your last chance. After this, there is no turning back. You take the blue pill. The story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill. You stay in Wonderland. And I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. All I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
What's up, XRP fam? What's up, Crypto Ghost? It's the Bagman, the Moon Commander, back on the mothership, chilling in the moon cabin. How's everyone doing out there? Hope y'all are doing well, holding strong, stuffing those bags, and continuing to stay extra bullish out there. Appreciate you stopping by, tuning in, smashing the likes for some more Moon O'Clock news. Let's go ahead, dive in, so we can load up on these big bags, those bags that Gary doesn't want you with. Go ahead and throw on them shades, buckle up. Let's go full speed, full throttle into the cryptoverse. Gary Gensler, the commission proposed rules related to corporate governance to increase transparency on two aspects of proxy voting. Before the rule is finalized, we put out the proposal for public comment. We want to hear from you. Go to sec.gov to submit your comments. Let's see what Gary has to say.
The Commission last week proposed rules with respect to corporate governance to increase transparency on two important aspects of proxy voting. What is proxy voting? Say you own some shares in a mutual fund, and that fund owns stock in a variety of companies, which means you, the shareholder, have exposure to those companies. The fund is responsible for voting on behalf of all the fund investors on a number of topics at the company. These could be votes to elect the board of directors, approve a merger, or other matters. These are called proxy votes. So what did we propose? The first item is a mandate from Congress. You see, in the wake of the 2008 financial crisis, Congress directed the SEC to require institutional investment managers to report to you, their investors, how they voted on certain executive compensation matters. These votes have come to be known as say on pay. While we finished rules several years ago requiring companies to hold these executive compensation votes, say on pays, until last week, we had not proposed rules to require investment managers to report their votes on these matters to you, their investors. The second part of the proposal is to bring greater consistency, transparency, usability to the forms where funds publicly report their proxy votes.
Gary following a script, but he doesn't want to answer the real hard-hitting questions. MG Social says, is Ethereum a security? Yes or no? Since there's so much clarity in the market, the answer should be really easy. Please do your job and protect investors. Unusual Wells says, you want to hear from us? Investigate political and Federal Reserve members, insider trading, PFOF, GME, AMC restrictions, dark pools. Why there is a need for crypto regulation. We want real protection for retail. No more talk. Action, Gary. Johnny Deaton says, good job to Kieran Stacy for interviewing Representative Tom Emmer and reporting on how Gary Gensler's regulatory approach, an example, land grab, will hurt retail investors. Of course, the SEC already hurt tens of thousands of retail investors when it attacked XRP holders and gave clarity to the competition, Ethereum and Bitcoin, when we know most of the mining power is heavily centralized in China. Bank XRP, we are now at 32,000 Army strong signatures. Johnny Deaton says, whoever it is, Ellie, can you let him or no? Now it's 32,000 XRP holders. Stellar soars on MONEYGRAM partnership news. Stellar Foundation has teamed up with MONEYGRAM. Not too much of a soar, maybe a little bit here, 31, 32 cents, up to about 35, 36. Also, Digital Asset Daily, Alex Holmes clearly simplifies the difference between Ripple and Stellar, as we often do. Different focus, different lanes.
Why did you feel Stellar is a better fit than Ripple?
The Ripple product was very, very different, right? We were doing a lot of back end, foreign exchange trading cross border. I think, as we've said many times, the process and the technology works, and we've had a great experience with Ripple. They tend to focus on a lot of the back end pieces. They're obviously focused quite a bit on cross-border funds flow through RippleNet. With the changes and the challenge that the SEC put forward, it was very difficult for us to continue in that relationship based on the way that was structured, and so we both agreed to move on. The partnership here with Stellar is very, very different. It's much more focused on the front end consumer and the ability to interoperate between fiat and the stable coin. So a very partnership. Stellar approached us with the idea. We thought it was a great one. Again, MoneyGram wants to be very proactive and very progressive in innovation and pushing forward across blockchain. And thinking about how we can bridge between the two different worlds. So we're excited about it, and I think it's a great partnership.
Stellar joins Ripple in making a case for CBDCs on its blockchain. Now it seems both are in the CBDC race. National Bank of Ukraine was testing a CBDC on the Stellar blockchain. Meanwhile, Ripple recently partnered with Bhutan RMA to trial a CBDC. Robert Dobbs says XRP will bring generational wealth, but if we don't regain our freedom and take back our world, there will be nothing left to enjoy. Flare Epoch, welcome to the launch of the Flare Epoch community tool built by FTSO UK. Notice there are a few key times to remember on the Songbird network. Use the simple tool to find out when the next reward epoch starts on Songbird. Instructions below, it only takes a tweet. All you gotta do, follow Flare Epoch, compose a new tweet, tweet the following hashtag Songbird timer. Number 4, check your notifications, and you can find out when the next epoch is going to start. Network, Pixelverse 1. Welcome to our new partner, Pixelverse, a multi-chain and next-generation metaverse and NFT ecosystem platform for games, communities, creators, NFTs on ETH, BSC, Poly, Sol, Flow, Tezos, Network, Crypto Art, yet another partnership, Network, and Pixelverse. I'll see you inside the metaverse. Eleanor Terrett, happy Thursday, y'all. Tomorrow is Crypto Friday, and Charles Gasparino and I have a special guest joining us on Twitter Live at 4 p.m. Eastern to discuss Ripple vs. SEC and what's next for the XRP army now that 32,000 plus of you are getting a voice in court. Can you guess who it is? Stay tuned. JC Collins says this is important. The first multi-chain crypto collateralized stablecoin, soft pegged to the USD and issued on the XRPL. Bifrost Wallet will be supporting ARIA, AUR coming soon from Trustline Inc. and Probity Vault. James Rowe, XRP community, crypto mystery. Where's the 69 billion back in the stablecoin Tether? Bloomberg says, anyone seen Tether's billions? Esthetes Art, what we call Esthetes XRPL NFT standard will be released soon. It will be open source and you will be able to store them on your sub wallet. And with that being said, Mr. Intuitive, BlackBerry XRP, you wake up, you see the deal has been struck. What do? XRP's true value price once all banks start using XRP as a bridge currency, CBDCs, all the money. They flip the switch, you wake up, XRP's 32K. What do you plan on doing that day? I am the XRP bag man, the Moon Commander, currently up here on the mothership, stuffing some bags and loading up on the greatest opportunity of multiple lifetimes. Appreciate you stopping by, tuning in, smashing the likes for some more Moon O'Clock news. I hope y'all continue to stay extra bullish out there. Continue loading up on those big bags, sell the FUD, buy up those bags, and I'll catch you up here on the mothership for the Moon Party. Peace out, Crypto Goes family.
Yeah, my bag so fat, like a fat, so I'ma get a big bag so I can buy a castle. Before they label XRP the standard, we gon' blast off. You gon' be stranded, be deserted, that's a bad call. All them coins you holding, they collapse, that's a bad fall. It was all a show to shake you out to sell your bags off. Now the price exploding in the skies past the Astros. SEC who? I'll see you on the moon. Bring your own bag and bring your own moon suit. Bagman commander, get bags the answer. That's an author when we moon shoot all them records shattered.